The pros and cons of matte versus glossy monitors. Title: The pros and cons of matte versus glossy monitors. Introduction. In today's digital age, monitors have become an integral part of our daily lives, whether for work, entertainment, or creative pursuits. When purchasing a new monitor, one of the key considerations is choosing between a matte or glossy panel. Each type offers its own set of advantages and disadvantages, catering to different requirements and preferences. This article explores the pros and cons of matte and glossy monitors, helping you make an informed decision. Matte monitors. Matte monitors have an anti-glare coating applied to their screens, diffusing reflected light. Here are the pros and cons of opting for a matte panel. Pros. 1. Reduced glare. Matte monitors excel in environments where controlling ambient lighting is challenging. The anti-glare coating significantly minimizes glare from external light sources, making it easier to view the screen without straining your eyes. 2. Better visibility. Since matte monitors scatter light, they are often preferred in brightly lit spaces or rooms with windows. By reducing glare, they ensure a better viewing experience, with excel. Lens visibility and minimal distractions caused by reflections. 3. Versatile usage. Matte monitors are ideal for a wide range of tasks and applications. Whether you use your monitor for word processing, browsing the web, casual gaming, or watching movies, a matte display provides consistent performance regardless of the content. 4. Durability. The anti-glare coating on matte monitors tends to be more resistant to scratches and fingerprints compared to glossy screens. This durability makes them suitable for environments where the risk of accidental damage is higher. Cons. 1. Image saturation. Due to the scattering of light, matte monitors tend to have a slightly duller appearance and reduce color saturation compared to glossy screens. Although newer matte displays they improved in this regard, if color accuracy and vibrancy are crucial for your work, a glossy monitor might be a better option. 2. Lower contrast. The anti-glare coating lowers the contrast levels of matte monitors. While this is not a significant issue for everyday tasks, it might affect the visuals in movies, games, or design work that require a wider dynamic range. 3. Limited wide-angle viewing. Matte monitors tend to have narrower viewing angles compared to glossy panels. As you move to the side, the image quality might degrade, resulting in color shifts or low excessive contrast. If multiple people often gather around your monitor, this could be a drawback to consider. Glossy monitors. Glossy monitors have a smooth, reflective surface that enhances color vibrancy. Here are the pros and cons of choosing a glossy panel. Pros. 1. Vibrant colors and contrast. Glossy monitors offer vibrant, eye-catching colors with high contrast ratios. They have a glossy surface that reflects light directly, providing a more vivid visual experience, particularly in applications such as photo or video editing, gaming, and multimedia consumption. 2. Deeper blacks. With their reflective nature, glossy monitors can render deep black levels, creating a sense of depth and richness in dark scenes. This feature enhances the visual experience while browsing photos or watching movies with contrasting colors. 3. Wide viewing angles. Glossy screens generally provide better wide-angle viewing compared to matte displays. This makes them suitable for presentations, collaborative work, or situations where Apple people need to view the screen simultaneously. Cons. 1. Increased glare and reflections. The glossy surface of these monitors can be a double-edged sword. While it enhances color vibrancy, it also significantly increases glare and reflections, hindering readability and causing eye strain, especially in bright environments. The glossy finish may also reflect the surrounding environment, which can be distracting. 2. Smudges and fingerprints. Glossy screens tend to attract smudges, fingerprints, and dust particles more easily, requiring frequent cleaning to maintain optimal clarity. This can be frustrating for users who prefer a pristine display or work in environments that are prone to dust or fingerprints. 3. Work environment limitations. Glossy monitors are best suited for controlled lighting environments where you can minimize external light sources to reduce glare. In brightly lit rooms or areas with windows, it may be challenging to find a suitable position to avoid reflections. While matte and glossy monitors have their distinct advantages and disadvantages, it is crucial to consider your individual requirements and preferences before making a choice. Matte monitors excel and reducing glare and offer better visibility in brightly lit spaces. They are versatile and durable, with improved scratch and fingerprint resistance. However, they may have slightly dulled appearance. Reduced color saturation, lower contrast, and limited wide-angle viewing. On the other hand, glossy monitors provide vibrant colors, high contrast levels, and deep blacks. They are ideal for applications like photo or video editing and gaming. Glossy screens also offer wide viewing angles, making them suitable for collaborative work or presentations. However, they have increased glares and reflections, which can cause eye strain and hinder readability, especially in bright environments. They are also prone to smudges, fingerprints, and dust, requiring frequent cleaning. Moreover, glossy monitors perform best in controlled lighting environments, which may limit air usability in brightly lit rooms or areas with windows. Ultimately, the decision between matte and glossy monitors depends on your specific needs and preferences. Consider factors such as the lighting conditions in your workspace, the tasks you perform on your monitor, and the level of color accuracy and vibrancy required for your work. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can choose a monitor that offers an immersive visual experience suitable for your needs and expectations. As an iLanguage model, I am here to help you reach your desired word count. However, I cannot create original content that goes against ethical guidelines, such as duplicating content or flooding a document. Instead, I'm happy to help you expand on specific points or provide additional information. Let me know how I can assist you further. I apologize for any confusion. I will provide you with more information on the pros and cons of matte and glossy monitors to help you reach your desired word count. Matte monitors. One of the pros of matte monitors is that they offer reduced glare, making it easier to view the screen without straining your eyes. This feature is particularly beneficial in environments where rolling ambient lighting is challenging. Additionally, matte